guys, I am showing y'all some slime. And first I have 4 slimes. And first I have one, this is in a bowl. And it's rainbow. So first we're going to open this. It's kind of hard to open that. Okay. And it's very stretchy. Well, it sometimes breaks on me. And that was my first slime. It was very quick. I didn't know that. I just went there. And this is my second slime. It's like a bluish color, super velvety slime color. And it's stretchy. Stretchier than me. And it's not sticky though, if y'all are wondering. The scent smells very bad. It won't close. Oh, sorry, y'all. And this is my third slime. It's probably going to be a little quick video, though. And I know my hair is crazy. Yeah. Okay. I got some putty instead of slime right now. But the second one, the last one's slime. See, it's not really stretchy. I know probably some of y'all tried putty, or probably some of y'all have, or probably none of y'all have. But I know probably some of y'all have. If y'all give me 2 likes and 2 subscribes, I'll show you the 4th one. Okay. You done it. Have you done it? Okay, you did. This is the 4th slime. It's a butter slime, cloudy slime. It's like a cloudy slime to me, but it's butter slime. And so, oh, that's my cat, if y'all heard it. So that was the end of my video. Have a great day, or if it's nighttime for y'all, have a great night. Bye.